Want to send SMS alerts for orders, shipping updates, or abandoned carts? SMS Bump makes it easy to send real-time text notifications right from your Shopify store. Here's really how to activate it. First, log into your Shopify admin and go to the Shopify App Store. Search for SMS Bump by Yotpo. Then click install and follow the setup prompts. Once you're inside the SMS Bump dashboard, complete your profile verification and legal compliance steps, like setting up your sender ID and consent checkboxes to follow SMS marketing rules. Now go to automations and turn on the key notifications like order confirmation, shipping updates, and abandoned cart recovery. You can customize each message with dynamic tags like customer name, order number, and product details. You can also go to settings, integrations, to link with Shopify checkout, ensuring consent is collected properly at checkout. Once you have it saved, your SMS automations are live and ready to engage your customers instantly. If this video helped you out, like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what Shopify tutorial you want next.